I'm Chef Ivan Flowers, and today we're going to talk about salmon with dill, capers, and lemon. Very simple. We're going to take it up a notch. I'm going to show you a really good way to do it, foolproof way, and with a lot of ease. So I'm going to take my pan up to a medium-high heat, a little bit of olive oil. I would put a couple of cuts. Actually on this, I'm just going to put one in the center, just enough so the skin will not curl. And a nice amount of salt, a nice amount of pepper. And it's going to be skin side down. And again, if you notice, you always want the heat with fish, whether it's skin on or skin off, where it's going to move. And as I move this pan, I know I'm at the right temperature. Just a second or so, I'm going to flip it over. Got a nice crisp going. I'm going to lower my heat. I'm going to let the crisp up a little more in the oven. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut my dill. Small amount of dill. I'm going to go in with a little bit of butter. I'm going to go in with my capers and make sure that you rinse capers, otherwise it's going to become too salty. And I'm also going to throw in some confit tomato and a little picholine olives. And then I'm going to take my dill, I'm going to go right into the sauce. My fish is cooked to a nice translucence. At this point I'm going to go in with the lemon on the end. And just very gently, I'm going to plate my tomatoes and olives in that nice dill and caper sauce. Now what's important to remember is I don't want to get the top of the fish wet because I've seared it, so I'll lose that sear. So as I work my sauce, I go into the bottom. I do not go on top of the fish, otherwise I break the sear and that crunch and we kind of lose what we were trying to do. Beautiful pan-seared, skin on, crispy skin on, Scottish salmon with a little butter, lemon, capers, and a slow roasted confit tomato.